make defamatory statements.
Anything is objectionable.
Statements.
Please take
insulting
your seat.
India.
If anything is
Making it
objectionable,
awkward.
I will see that it is
Bring
getting
enter
explained.
into the
I will look
internal
into it.
affairs.
If anything is objectionable,
Internal affairs.
please stick to your subject, please.
Where the constitution, when the democracy is dead, and the court so making an appeal to the international community, defending
look
the
into it.
nation's
I will look into it.
heritage,
Please,
defending the nation's prestige. I draw the attention to the House. The People's Representation Act in this regard should be amended. The person who should make such kind of comments, he should be declared as disqualified from contesting in the elections and should be barred from the House. I draw the attention to the House to bring certain amendments on the People's Representation Act Constitution.
If it is objectionable, I will expunge it.
Through the concerned House, sir. So these are the observations which are
Please
happening.
stick to your subject, please.
Yes, yes. Sir,
I will look into it. I will look into it.
so far as these were taking it advantage, many of the disciples of the concerned members,
Definitely.
they are making the remarks
Please come
through
to
the
your
social
subject,
media, defaming the Indian dignity and decorum across the world, creating as if something is happening in India
Please,
which
come
is
back to
against
your
the
subject.
democracy, which is against the constitution, and they are asking the international anti-social elements to intervene into the Indian structure and Indian constitution. So basically these things, I brought
Please come back to
attention
your
to the House
subject.
to bring certain amendments to the People's Representation Act, to you, to the concerned government.
Dr. Sikandar Kumar ji, I will look into it.
Sir, my topic
You all
is
take your
demand
seat,
for
then only I
granting
will allow LOP. When you
central
are standing,
status
I am not going to allow LOP to speak. You
Shimla.
have to go back to your
Honorable
seat and
sir.
take your seat, then only I will allow.
I write to
No, I am not ordering. Every time they are coming here and they are pressurizing the chair. That is not correct. No, why they are coming? They can raise their voice from their seat. That is, so, yeah.
See, it is 0-1. It is irrelevant to talk about Congress party in this, in his statement. So why he is talking? What is his intention? Who is behind the name? So we condemn this and it should be expunged.
I will look into it. I will look into it and do the needful.
should be
That I already assured you.
Otherwise,
I am telling I am looking into it and I am do the needful. Please take your seat.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, you have given him permission under 0 hour for concern over increasing instances of influential personalities living abroad. Living abroad. And he's talking about a member of the Lok Sabha. It is against the subject. He's violated your subject.
I already told you.
You have given him permission.
That is what our
Living abroad.
said. Why you are repeating?
Living abroad.
Now, honorable leader of the house, you want to respond? Please take your
मैं
seat.
तो सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगा कि जो माननीय सदस्य ने कहा और जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कहा, लिविंग अब्रॉड के बारे में, विषय ये है कि हमारे नेता और हमारे लोग विदेश की धरती पर जाकर भारत की संस्थाओं के बारे में प्रश्न उठाते हैं, उस पर उसने कंसर्न शो किया है। लेकिन सच्चाई ये है, जो चीज संवैधानिक और पार्लियामेंट्री प्रोसीजर्स के अंतर्गत नहीं आता है वो आप जरूर एक्सपेंस कीजिए, लेकिन दे नो वेयर द शू पिंचेस, इनको मालूम है कि तकलीफ कहां हो रही है और तकलीफ इसलिए हो रही है क्योंकि वो सच्चाई है।
Now, Dr. Sikandar Kumar ji, please.
Honorable sir,
Please.
I write
We
today
cannot discuss
to
like
bring to
this.
the
Please
notice
take
of
your
the
seat. I will
House
look into it.
in
I
matter
am
of
assuming you I am looking
important
into it.
for the youth of the
I am-
state of Himachal Pradesh.
Gargaji, I am assuring you, I will look into
I
it.
strongly
I will look into your
urge the
request.
Education to consider upgrading
Please take your seat.
Himachal
I
Pradesh
will look into
University,
your
Shimla to a
because
central
if
university.
anything is
Sir,
objectionable, I
established in
will expunge
1970,
it.
HPU has been the premier seat of higher learning for the Himalayan region. However, to meet the evolving educational challenges of the 21st century and to ensure regional parity, this transition is now an absolute
all of us,
necessity.
Please take your seat. I will look into it. I will look into it. I am telling I am looking into it. I will look into it, the subject.
Himachal Pradesh currently hosts 2 central universities. In contrast, Himachal's existing central university in Dera
please,
is
please.
geographically inaccessible
Jairamji,
to
please
students
take your
from
seat.
the
Please take your
remote
seat.
tribal belts of Kinnaur, Lahaul Spiti and Upper Simla. HPU Simla remains the only accessible hub for these high-altitude regions. Himachal Pradesh University currently manages the academic future of over 1.5 lakh students and oversees more than 150 affiliated colleges. The administrative and financial burden of such a vast network is becoming increasingly difficult for the state government to sustain. Central status would provide the institutional framework required to manage this volume efficiently. Due to the sheer limited physical space, HPU faces a significant budgetary deficit. Upgrading it to a central university would ensure 100% funding through the UGC, enabling modernization of laboratories and research facilities and filling of critical faculty vacancies under central pay scales. Establishment of specialized centers for Himalayan ecology, disaster management and glaciology. The lack of a national institute of eminence in the state capital forces our brightest students to migrate to Delhi or Chandigarh. Elevating HPU will provide world-class education at their doorstep, fostering local talent for national development. Speaker, sir, in light of the National Education Policy 2020, which emphasizes equitable access to high-quality education and aim for an Atmanirbhar Himachal, we must first empower its primary seat of learning. I once again request the Ministry of Education to initiate the process of upgrading at University Shimla to a central university to bring it at par with the educational standards seen in Jammu and Kashmir and other Himalayan regions. Thank you.
श्रीमान सजात अहमद किचलू जी।
ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन साहब शुक्रिया। मैं जम्मू कश्मीर के 2 अहम रीजन्स चिनाब और पीर पंचाल की बात मुअज़्ज़ज़ ऐवान में रखना चाहता हूँ। दोनों रीजन्स पसमानदा पहाड़ी और दूर दराज इलाकों में फैले हुए हैं। चिनाब रीजन जिसमें किश्तवाड़, डोडा और रामबन के डिस्ट्रिक्ट आते हैं, चिनाब की कुल आबादी तकरीबन 15 लाख के करीब है और तकरीबन 13,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर में फैला हुआ है। चिनाब एक पहाड़ी रीजन है और इसी तरह पीर पंचाल रीजन में राजौरी और पुंछ के डिस्ट्रिक्ट आते हैं, जहां की आबादी तकरीबन 17 लाख के करीब है और ये रीजन भी तकरीबन 8,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर में फैला हुआ है। चिनाब रीजन आज पूरे मुल्क के लिए हाइड्रो पावर का एक बहुत बड़ा जरिया बन चुका है और वहाँ पावर प्रोजेक्ट के जरिए कई हज़ार मेगावाट बिजली जो है वो पैदा हो रही है और मज़ीद कई पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम चल रहा है। लेकिन जब हम ज़मीनी हालात को देखते हैं, चिनाब जहाँ से हज़ारों मेगावाट बिजली पैदा होती है, वहाँ कई गांव ऐसे हैं जो आज भी बिजली से महरूम हैं। हमारे कई इलाके ऐसे हैं जहाँ सेकेंडरी लेवल की तालीम से हमारे बच्चे आज भी महरूम हैं। हमारे अस्पतालों में डॉक्टरों की कमी है और हमारी सड़कों का वो हाल है कि हर रोज़ कहीं ना कहीं एक्सीडेंट में मासूम लोगों की जानें जाती हैं। जनाब वाला, पिछले 13 बरस में ना ही कोई नया स्कूल खोला गया है और ना ही कोई अस्पताल खोला गया है। हमारे रिसोर्सेज को लूटा जा रहा है। चुनाव और पीर पंचाल की तरफ कोई तवज्जो नहीं दी जा रही है, जबकि हुकूमत की यह जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि वो हर रीजन को यकसा तरक्की के लिए उनको तरक्की के मौके फराहम करें। जनाब वाला, आज चुनाव और पीर पंचाल के लोग ये डिमांड करते हैं कि वो उनको हिल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल का दर्जा दिया जाए। और जनाब वाला, हमारे मुल्क में आईनी तौर पर पहाड़ी और दूर दराज इलाकों के लिए की खुसूसी ज़रूरियात को मद्देनजर रखते हुए कई मिसालें कायम की गई हैं। आसाम, मेघालय और नॉर्थ ईस्ट की कई जगहों पर हिल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल दिए जाने के बाद ही तरक्की मुमकिन हुई है। इसी तरह लेह और कारगिल में हिल डेवलपमेंट बनने के बाद ही तरक्की और फैसला साजी मुमकिन हुई है। जनाब वाला, मैं आपकी वसादत से हुकूमत वक्त से यही मुतालबा करता हूँ कि चिनाब रीजन और पीर पंचाल रीजन को हिल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल देकर वहाँ के लोगों की उस जायज मांग को पूरा किया जाए। ये इकदाम सिर्फ चिनाब और पीर पंचाल रीजन की नहीं बल्कि पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर को
श्रीमान सुभाषिष कुंडिया जी
मुस्तकबिल के लिए
Jai Jagannath. Thank you, Chairman Sir, for giving me the opportunity to raise a matter of great national importance regarding the establishment of a dedicated yoga university in Puri, Odisha. सबसे पहले उत्कल दिवस के अवसर में मेरे तरफ से और उड़ीसा वासी के तरफ से आपको और सभी मान्यवर सांसद को मैं शुभेच्छा और अभिनंदन ज्ञापन करता हूं। Sir, Puri is not just a city, it is one of the India's most revered spiritual center. This sacred land has for centuries nurtured traditions of spirituality, discipline and historic living that resonate deeply with the philosophy of yoga, sir. India has contributed immensely to the world in science, medicine, culture and heritage. And one of its greatest gifts is yoga. Practiced since ancient times, yoga has now spread across the globe and emerged as a powerful means of promoting physical health, mental well-being and inner balance, truly reflecting the idea that health is wealth, sir. Yoga today enjoys global recognition, particularly after the adoption of the International Day of Yoga. However, to sustain this momentum, there is a need to strengthen research, expand academic engagement, and encourage greater participation of students and teachers, sir. There are about 25 yoga universities and more than 430 yoga colleges in our country. And Odisha, which has been one of the pioneers in maintaining the Indian knowledge system, is in need to have one university which can help in spreading the knowledge and popularity of yoga. Sir, establishing such an institution in Puri would strengthen India's soft power, promote wellness tourism, generate employment, and create a global center for yogic learning, sir. Sir, this university would also serve as a center for scientific inquiry, integrating sports medicine, mental health, and lifestyle disease management. I urge the government to take immediate steps to establish a yoga university in Puri befitting its spiritual heritage and national importance. If yoga is India's message to the world, Puri must become its global classroom. Jai Jagannath, Bande Utkal Janani.
श्रीमती पीटी उषा जी।
Chairman, sir, I rise today with a deep sense